All right, guys, look at here. But to my surprise, she do not have a nag transmission. When she said Chrysler 300, I automatically assume, because that's a 2014 model. Can I use this? Now, I'm not gonna. There's some fluid up here that says multi-purpose, like this stuff here. What is this? Automatic transmit fluid, multi-vehicle ATF. No. Not only that, I think I would have a hard time getting the filter. I mean, you know, those 8-speed transmissions has the filter integrated into the transmission pan. So, because today's Saturday, now we use Valvoline at the dealership, guys. So, I just can't pull the trigger to put this in 8-speed ZF 8-speed transmission or the ZF 9-speed transmission. I just can't do it, and they have almost tried to assure me that it's okay. Now you got to be careful with a representative from, just say, Valvoline, trying to explain to you or trying to convince you that this fluid that he has a special interest in selling will work in your car. You got to be extremely careful with stuff like that, because they have a vested interest in selling this stuff. So their conversation or their explanation can be a little biased. All right, now I would believe him if he said, if a Valvoline guy told me, yeah, the stuff Castro make will work in your car. Now, I don't like Castro, but it will work in your car. I would believe him more if he said something like that. But for him to try to convince me that his product Valvoline will work, and it very may will work, I don't know. It just, I cannot pull the trigger to put this in a ZF 8-speed transmission. So guys, there goes my side job. I had it all mapped out. Y'all know how easy it is to do a nag transmission. Nag is a 5-speed transmission, so it's fairly easy. I think that thing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T30 torque bolts holding it on. Very, very easy to take out. The pan easy to drop. The filter easy to replace. All I had to do is jack the car, put it on jack stands. I've done those before on the side. So they're extremely to do a service. It's extremely easy to do a transmission service on a nag transmission. But to my surprise, her car has a. What I'm gonna start doing is run the VIN. When I go over somebody's house or give an estimate, I'm gonna start running, because the customer don't know. She don't know what kind of transmission she got. I'm gonna start running the VIN. The VIN will tell me everything I need to know about her car, or about the car in particular that I'm working on. So I just ruined the whole Sunday and the side money that I was gonna make. Y'all know how much I love money. I had that all mapped out, guys. Now, for shits and giggles, I'm finna go up here and see, do they even sell the filter for it? The 8-speed transmission, you know, it's integrated in the pan if you get one from the dealer, but I don't see the fluid. I'm not doing this, guys. Should you do it? That's up to you. It's ill-advised, especially if you're still under warranty. You don't want to turn that. You don't want somebody to turn that transmission in. They find red fluid in it. This is red. 8-9-speed fluid is kind of clear brownish. So I will wait. We have to wait till the dealership open Tuesday. It's a holiday weekend, so I think the dealership closed Monday. So we will have to wait until Tuesday for me to do her service. Thank God I did not drop the pan first. All I did was crawl under there, was getting ready to jack it up, look at it, and go. Something went ding, 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 ding. That let me know right then and there, wrong. Stop what you're doing. Go see if you can get some parts, because now, like I say, I can get a nag transmission gasket. The nag uses a gasket, do not use RTV. I can get a gasket in an ATF plus 4 is what the nag take. In fact, that multi-air, that Valvoline multi-air will work in that nag. We've done that at the dealership. So, guys, I'm gonna go find out if they even sell a pan, just for shits and giggles. I don't think they do, but we're gonna find out together, guys. Let's go up front. Wait, what year is it? Okay, 2014 Chrysler 300. Transmission, filter, and fluid.
The 300C or just the regular 300?
C.
The 3.6, 5.7.
5.7.
How you doing, sir?
How many transmission fluids you need?
What fluid do it take?
ATF 4.
No, it's got an 8-speed transmission in
You got
it.
AC transmission?
Yeah. You about to think about the nag transmission? Does it say nag?
Yeah, first it say ATF 4.
But what does it say? What specific transmission is in it?
This one right here, the 84 RE or the NAG 1. It's the
Yeah, the
84.
nag. It don't have a nag. It's 845. 845.
ATF 4. Yeah.
That's what it's telling you. That's back there.
Yes, sir.
What about the pan and the filter?
The
That doesn't say 8 or 9-speed transmission fluid. It
don't.
just say 8-speed transmission.
Yep. I don't have it.
You don't have what?
Order the transmission filter.
The filter. Oh, it's with the pan. Okay,
It's
so
all kit.
okay, so I'm gonna get the pan and the filter gonna come integrated in the pan. But as far as the fluid, where that's back there. Let me see a picture of that.
Okay.
STP automatic transmission fluid, ATF plus 4. It doesn't take ATF 4. That's an 8 or 9-speed transmission.
So, okay. You got a Hemi in it.
Yeah, I got a Hemi with an 8-speed transmission in it.
Let me see something real quick. Let me try like a...
'Cause this fluid come out of it is brown, not
I got
red.
you. Automatic, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, ATF 4 still.
ATF 4.
Even with the Challenger RT, still with the same engine, ATF 4.
Still with the same engine. Why we saying engine?
Transmission.
Oh, even with the same transmission, with the 8-speed transmission, take
Same
ATF 4,
transmission, yeah, the same thing.
which is red.
Yeah.
All right, that's what I need to know. Thanks, man. And that's just STP?
Yes.
Wow. Did y'all hear that? There are gonna be a bunch of transmission falling all over the place due to parts being sold wrong. Y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that? STP. Okay, they basically saying this. Now, I slipped them up. I called them up. Caught them slipping on as far as the pan. He had to go read and check and say, yeah, we'll have to order the pan and the filter combo kit. But this is the fluid that he say this transmission calls for. It said HTP, but it said ATF4. This is it right here. This is the transmission fluid he said will work in the Chrysler 8-speed transmission. Dude, y'all hear this? And it very well may work, guys. We're not talking about work. You know, any of this transmission fluid will work. It will shift. Okay, the thing about it is this what the manufacturer suggests, and will this, you know, extend the life of your transmission? We're trying to save or maintain our transmission. Like say, any of this stuff will work. We want the correct fluid in there in the transmission that will prolong the life of the unit. And this, my friend, is not it. This is what he's saying it's calls for. Okay, I think I've just about heard it all. Guys, all I'm gonna say to that is be aware of what you're putting in your car, okay? I would not put this in an 8-speed transmission. Wow. Under no circumstance. Let me get out of here. I'm kind of baffled right now. Kind of confused, actually, but I don't know. The dude just doing his job. That's what his machine said. He was looking off a computer. If that's what it say, that's what it is. So, no problem with him. It's the system I have a problem with. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I'm gonna run into Publix right quick, guys. Wow. Wow. ATF plus 4 and an 8-speed ZF 8-speed transmission out of a 2014 Chrysler 300C. He had two options. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but he had two options, one for a NAG 1 and one for the 8-speed. According to him, the fluid will work in either one. The fluid that he pulled up will work in either transmission, but The gasket and the filter will not. That's understandable. Okay, I'm done here. Wow. All right, guys, let me run in here and grab me something to eat, and I will talk to y'all later. Get back with y'all on the next video, man. Thanks for watching, I guess. We got something out of this video. I like to make sure y'all get something out of these videos. Something. Okay, I don't want to waste 10 minutes of you guys' life, because frankly, 10 minutes would be the length of 10 minutes or more would likely be the length of the videos. That way I can strategically place, you know, it's a strategic thing with 10-minute video. So that's a whole nother story. But I'll see y'all later, man. I'm about to go in this grocery store. Thanks for watching.